Hi, if you want to use ECG on Google Pixel Watch Free, then we need to press this crown to open list of apps, and here scroll down to find Fitbit ECG. If you cannot see it in this list, then make sure that Fitbit app, which looks like that, is installed on your phone and as well as on your watch. And then find Play Store because maybe we need to update this app to be able to use it. So let's just say Fitbit. And now let's search for this app. And in my case, this app is updated to the latest version. So if in your case you can see option to update, then do it. And now let's find this Fitbit ECG again and tap to open. So as you can see, to get started, we need to open this app on phone. So let's tap here on this icon to open this app on phone. And this is how it looks. You can just read this information about this feature and then tap Get Started. After that, you can also see this information. Also tap Get Started and confirm that you're more than 22 years old by tapping Next. Here, allow this feature to use data to check for signs of AFib. Let's tap Allow. Here you can see how it works, so the rhythm your heart makes can be detected by the electrical sensors on your watch. And this data is analyzed for signs of AFib and irregular heart rhythms. So tap Next. And here just tap to turn on this feature. And now we need to open it on our watch again. So let's open it. Here tap this arrow and choose on which wrist you're wearing your watch. I'm gonna select left. And now we need to actually start measuring. So wear your watch tied on your wrist. Tap this check mark to confirm. Here, allow permissions while using the app and rest your finger lightly on this crown and keep both arms still for about 30 seconds like that. Now data is collective and I got this result. So I can retake it, tap done, and everything will be saved in this Fitbit app on the phone. So yeah, here it is. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.